guys? So another variation, and this goes back to what I was talking about with bilateral and unilateral leg raises or extensions. This is another recommended version. It will really target your glutes, okay? But it's split squats. I don't really like split squats either, but I do these every single week. All you do is find something of an appropriate height for you. This is actually, I should have got the middle one, but anyway, this is what we've got. And all you do is put one leg out, put your other leg back, okay? And then you want to sink like this. And you would use weights in your hand, or you can cross your chest for balance purposes. And here we are, and if my cameraman can get over here to his side view, kind of give you a side view of what it looks like. You're here, you're balanced, and you're going down about that far to a level of comfortability where your knees aren't hurting, and then boom, you would do 10 on one leg, then you would switch legs and do 10 on the other. Now, I wouldn't recommend using anything that high, and I wouldn't recommend you using like a whole bunch of weight. If you're younger and you're comfortable with that, go ahead. You may even use a plate across your chest, and you would just do it like this, where you would hold the plate across your chest and do it that way. So, but regardless, that is your basic split squat.